Hi, I'm RJ and welcome to my mythos. You'll notice I'm not in my usual setup. That's because I'm going to do the... God, what month are we in now? April? April 2021, 2022. It's going to be one of those videos. I'm doing an unedited Glossybox April 2022 UK edition unboxing, and I don't think it's worth even stepping across the hall into my filming room because it's a crap box. What can I say? I've looked at it just ahead of filming this, obviously. It arrived at my house this morning, and yeah, you're basically in for an unedited rant. So let's go. I did scan this. It's the usual thing. The magazine's always good. I do really like that they're doing the online magazine now rather than printing it out, because you get to see what variants of the box there was. This month's spring softness is the theme. And you can sort of see it. Anyway, you're not here for that. Let's get on to the products. I'm not even going to pull up the magazine because I looked at it, I scanned it through. It's not worth it. The thing I could pull it up on's downstairs, and again, not worth walking down. Let's have a look why. Okay, number one. This is the only full-size product in the box this month. Everything else is sample size, or sorry, deluxe mini size, which we all know means sample size. Okay, so this is the Mitchell and Peach Flora No. 1 Body Souffle. So that is another body lotion. It says it's a light and easily absorbed moisturiser containing vitamin E, shea butter, honey to nourish, soften and protect the skin. And it's also got some lavender oils from a 5th generation farm in Kent, England. So that's quite nice. It's not, it's not travelled a long way to get to my house. But this is a body oil, a body moisturiser. It smells very heavily of lavender, which is a very old-fashioned smell. I don't know why they persist in using it in modern cosmetics. It smells good. Might be nice actually to put on a night, because I think it'd be good for helping you sleep. Yeah, I don't use these. It'll go to my mum and she'll probably love it. So yeah, okay. It's nice. It smells good. It still smells old ladyish, so I wouldn't wear it during the day, but I might put it on at night as a bit of a sleep aid. Yay, one. Okay, now let's get into the travel size crap. Okay, so this is a leaf and seed shampoo. This is a Root Reboot Damage Rescue Shampoo. Okay, now I'm talking crap, but actually I quite like this because, as you can see, my hair is on the end of a dye cycle and it could do with some TLC before I re-dye it again. So this is meant to breathe life back into hair health suffering. Breathe life back into hair health suffering under the daily grind. That is not a sentence. That does not make sense. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, it's meant to leave hair weakened, brittle, dehydrated, and sorry, it's meant to combat weak, brittle, dehydrated, and unshiny hair. It's a shampoo. It's 50ml. There's probably maybe 3 applications in it for someone with hair my length. Cool. What does it smell of? It smells like a swimming pool. Wonderful. Lovely. Next. Okay, so this was the spoiler that we got. It's a Sand and Sky Australian Bounce Mask, I believe. Australian Emu Apple Super Bounce Mask. It's a face mask. This doesn't have any blurb whatsoever written on it. It's meant to glow and plump. Okay, it's a face mask. Sand and Sky stuff's really good. So yeah, again, happy I received it, but look at it. It's tiny. This is a whole 10 grams of mask. So 1 application, maybe 2 if you use it quite sparingly. Yeah. More skincare. What's this? This is a This Works Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum. Now again, tiny sample size. This is 15ml. Again, something that I'm quite happy to have because hyaluronic acid is having a resurgence at the minute for skincare, and God knows my skin could use some extra bounce. Yeah, slow release vitamin C to help plump and brighten morning skin. Cool, wonderful. Few applications in that, maybe 4. Yay, it's a skincare thing. And the last thing, the only makeup item this month, is a Downtown Paris liquid eyeshadow in gold. So once again, some boring makeup colour. And a product that personally I hate. I don't understand liquid eyeshadows. They don't make sense. They crease. They're awful to put on. They never ever look good. So this is a gold colour. It's thick. I mean, okay, so that's how it's gone on my hand. It might be nice on the eye. It's a bit creamier, at least, than a liquid, than, like, you know, the old school original liquid shadows. But that's still gonna crease up. It's still gonna transfer. And look, you can barely see it. There's no pigmentation on camera, and I can just barely see it on my hand. It's basically a highlighter. It might look good for doing like a halo in the middle of your eye. Possibly, I don't know. But it feels awful. It's drying down really tacky and sticky. And this isn't like Downtown Paris. I've had their stuff before. Glossybox put in a cream blush a few months ago that was lovely. So I have nothing against the brand, but it's just... it's tacky, it feels horrible. What is this? And that's it. I'm 7 minutes into filming and I've already gone through the box for you. It doesn't seem worth it this month at all. I'm so annoyed. And it's, to be fair, it's the first Glossybox that I've ever had that I've gone, oh my God, that is awful. Which is something that a lot of people who get Glossybox can't say. At least I'm lucky in that respect. But yeah, it's all sample sizes. The one full size is something I'm not going to use. There's 2 things that do the same job. Do better, Glossybox. Come on. Anyway, so that's your Glossybox review for and another thing, actually, it's something else that's ranted. So when I did look in the magazine, there was some snack thing that they were pushing that was a possible extra treat. I didn't get that. Did anybody get that? If you got that, then Glossybox must really love you. Look, this is my cat's tail. Then Glossybox must really love you, because apparently they don't love me. So yeah, well done if you got the extra treat this month. I didn't. Right, yeah, so let's see what next month is. Next month's apparently themed around self-care, and I've already forgotten what the sneak peek was, so it can't be anything too exciting, can it? Probably some more skincare. All right, that's Glossybox unedited review for this month. I will see you next month, I assume, unless I spite cancel Glossybox in the meantime. All right, have a good day. Come back to my mythos soon. Bye.